Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about array and its attributes. Okay. So first of all, I will create an array. Import np, right? Np dot array 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So now I will assign this to a. I will print this a. So array 1 2 3 4 5 will be printed. Okay, then if a single value is given to an array, such array is called scalar or zero dimensional array. So what is that? Zero dimension array. Zero dimension array. Okay. So zero dimension array means an array which is having a single value. Let us say 45. Okay. So this is called a array of zero dimension. So 0D array. Zero dimension array. Now, so if I pass a list or tuple, so that will be treated as one dimension array. Now I will create one dimension array. So 1D equal to np dot array 1 comma 2 comma 3. So right, 1D. So by orally I said that this is zero dimension and this is one dimension. So everything needs a proof, right? This is 1D array. Now everything needs proof. So for that we have an attribute called ndim. Okay, ndim. So np dot ndim of. So first of all I will find this zero dim. So zdim. Okay, zdim. So you can see that this is 0. So it is saying that this array is, so this array is a zero dimension array. Now np dot ndim of 1D. So this is one dimension array. Got it? What is that attribute? Ndim. You can use this way or you can use directly with the reference like like 1D dot ndim. Okay, run this. 1D dot ndim is one dimension. In this way also you can write. In the same way you can write, instead of this you can write zdim zdim dot ndim. Okay. So this output will be 0. In the we can write either the previous way or this way, the reference dot ndim or np dot ndim of the reference. In both ways you can get the output. So this attribute is called ndim. It will give you